Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to make notes on Google Keep. Google Keep is useful because it helps you easily organize your notes, lists, and reminders in one place, which you can access from any device, ensuring you stay organized and never forget important tasks. For example, wish list, recipes, important tasks, and etc. Open Google Keep on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon, which is in the bottom right corner. Now you can write both a title and a note. That is, you can note down anything that you wish to do or wish to remember. Now, if you tap on the back, which is an arrow in the top left corner, you can see all your notes are saved. And if you want to write a new note, just repeat the whole process. Now you can capture all your brilliant ideas in one place. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any need seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.